Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove all items inside. Next, locate the dampener arm on the right side and unhook it by pulling it up and out. Then, gently press in the two tabs at the top of the glove box to fully lower it, revealing the filter housing. Once the glove box is lowered, you will see the rectangular filter housing door. This door typically has two clips, one on each side. Release these clips by pushing them outward or downward. With the clips disengaged, carefully slide the old, dirty cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Be mindful of any debris that might fall. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, while your car breathes fresh air, why not treat yourself to some fresh reading? Check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before installing your new filter, check the airflow arrow on its side. This arrow must point downwards towards the floor of the vehicle. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly without bending. Finally, reattach the housing door and press the two retaining clips firmly into place until they click, securing the filter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.